In the last video, we discussed the exercise 12.1 based on the Hero's formula. Now we are going to start exercise 12.2. So these questions are here. First and second question are based on quadrilaterals. So we are not going to discuss it right now. We can do them later on. So we are going to discuss from the third question. In third question also, we will not discuss this figure right now. So later on we can discuss. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure. Find the total area of the paper used. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are not going to take this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 figures we are taking here. So the figure is like this. This is 5 centimeter. So this one also 5 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. So first we will find the area of the first figure. So we are going to find out it here. For area, suppose the area is A1 for of part 1. This is, and that is a triangle. Okay, the triangle we can find with the help of Heron's formula. For that, what we have, suppose let A is equals to 5 centimeter, B is also equals to 5 centimeter, and C is equals to, this one is 1 centimeter. So Heron's we can apply. First we have to find S. S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is our A? 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 10 plus 1, 11 by 2, that one is 5.5 centimeter. Area A1 we are going to find. We know the formula, under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So A1 is equals to under root S. S is 5.5. 5.5 minus 5. 5.5 minus 5 and 5.5 minus 1. So A1 is equals under root. This is 5.5 multiply. If we subtract this, we'll have 0.5, 0.5, and if we subtract this, we are also having 4.1. Sorry, 4.5. This one is 4.5. Okay. So if we finding here the formula, this is 0.5, 0.5 in root, and this we can write as 5 9s are 45. So 9 can be come out and 0.5, 5 can come out from here. So we are having here 2.5 centimeter square. So this is our A1. This one is A1. This we can write. This is, we can write 5 into 1.1. Here is 0.5, 0.5. Here we can take 0.5 into 9, like this we can take. Okay, so we can solve it here, and we are having 2.5 centimeter square. Now A2, for area A2, A2 is the rectangle, that is, here we can write rectangle. So A2 is equals to L into B, that is 6.5 into 1, that is 6.5 centimeter square. Now for area A3, that is a right triangle. Okay, so we can write it as a triangle. So A3 is equals to 1 upon 2 base into side. This is base into height. Base is 6, it is 1.5. So we can take it as 6. This side is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. And this one is 1.5. So this can be cut, and we are having here 4.5 centimeter. So we can write area of A4 is equals area of A3. Now required area, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. A1 was 2.5, A2 6.5, 4.5 plus 4.5. So this becomes 9, this becomes 9. So this is 18 centimeter square. So this much of paper is required. Right now we are not doing this part. Now the next question number 4 is here. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are this, this and this, and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. So figure will be like this. This is a triangle ABC and this is a parallelogram are on same base BC, that is of 28 centimeter. Let the sides of the triangle are given. Let A is equals to 26, B is equals to 28 and C is equals to 30 for triangle. So we will find the area of the triangle by the Heron's formula again. So let S is equals to, this is A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2, and their sum is 4, 3 to 5 to 7, 1, 8 divided by 4, that is 42 centimeter. S is 42 centimeter. Now area of triangle, suppose that is A1. Area of triangle is equals under root. We know the formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is given 42. So 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. That is equals under root 42. This can be subtract and we'll have here 6 and 16. Here 12 minus 8, 4. This is 14. And this one is 12. Then we can factorize this. 7 6 4 4 7 2 and 6 2. So pairing is there 7 6 4 and 2. So this we are having here 7. This will be equals to 336 centimeter square. Okay. Now we know that area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. This one. And what is given in the question? According to question, area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle. The base into height is equals to 336. And base is given 28, height we required 336. So we are having H is equals to 336 divided by 28. So we are having here 12 8s are 96, 9, 12 2s are 22, 24 and 9, that is 336. So we are having here 12 centimeter. This is the height. So this is the required height of the parallelogram. Now the next question is there in the book. This is the 5th question. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? How many cows are here? 18 cows. and each side of the rhombus. So it can be like this. This can be like this. This is a rhombus like. So all the sides are equal and this is the longer triangle. So we can find the area. So S first we will find area. A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equals to, A is given 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2, that is equals 8. 4 root 3, 7 root 3, 10 divided by 2, and that is 54. So area of, suppose this is A1 and this is 2, area of triangle 1, that is A1, is equals S under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So under root S is given 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30, 54 minus 48, S is left here, that is 54. Under root 54 multiply 5 minus 3 to 24, this is 24, and 14 minus 8, 6. This is, here we can write 9 6. This can be as 9 6. Multiply 24 into 24 into 6. So this can be right, 9 can be right as 3, and 6 is in pair, and 24. So this can be 18 into 24. 18 4s are 7. So we can write this as here 4. 18 4s are this one. 18 2s are 36, and this we have 4, 32 meter square. Okay. So this is what, this is of first part. Now we have to find for the whole. Okay. Now this is the area of first triangle. Similarly, area of triangle 2, that is A2, is equals to 432 meter square. So what is the area of rhombus shape field? That is equals to 432 plus 432, that is 864 meter square. Now how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Area of grass field will each cow be getting is equals 864 divided by 18, because there were 18 cows. So this, I think we have 18 4s and 18 8s. So how many cows will be there? 48 cows will be there. Okay. Now the next question is there. You can do this question easily. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 50. So like this is an umbrella. So each part is a triangular form, and how many triangles there are? 10. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? So the figure can be like this. The measurement is given 50. This side will also be 50, and this is 20 centimeter. So this is 50, 50 and 20. So in an umbrella there are 10 pieces triangular. Each triangular piece is an isosceles triangle with side 50, 50, 20. So A is what? 50 centimeter. B is what? 50 centimeter. C is what? 20 centimeter. S is given A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is 120 divided by 2. We have 60 centimeter. So area of each triangular piece is equals, we know the formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is 60, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 50, 60 minus 20. So 60, 10, 10, 40. So we are having 6 into 10, 10, 10, 4 into 10. So this 4 can be written as 2, and these 210 can be written as 100, and here is under root 6. So what we have? 200 root 6. So area of 10 triangular pieces, in those of them 5 are of different colors, and total area of cloth of each color is 5 into 200 under root 6. So each color, total area of cloth of each color is required how much? 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Now the next question is there, this one. This you can do yourself. Here kite shape of a square with a diagonal this 32 centimeter isosceles triangle is there. This is given in 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, each of the base of 3 different shape, this and this. So diagonal is given 32. So isosceles triangle of base is 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is given 8 and these two sides are 6 centimeter. So we can make this different. So we can find out this, the area of this figure, the square shape figure. This is a square shape. Diagonal is given. This diagonal is given. Because in this diagonal is given because both the diagonals are same. This is 32. This one will also 32, and we also know that in a square diagonal bisect each other. So this can be 16 and this can be 16. So 1/2 base, that is 32, and height is what? 16. So the area of this first triangle we can find with the help of 1/2 base 32 and height is 16. So area of this and this will be same, and the area of this smaller triangle can be found with the help of Heron's formula, and at last we can add all the 3. Now here is a floral design. On the floor is made up of 16 tiles. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. There are 16 tiles which are triangular in shape and the sides are given. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So we have drawn here only one tile. One tile, the measurement is given 9 centimeter. This is 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. So what we can let here? Let A is equals to 9 centimeter, B is equals to 28 centimeter, and C is equals to 35 centimeter. So what is S? S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. That is 9 plus 28 plus 35 divided by 2. So if we add all these, we are having here 72. 72 divided by 2. So we are having here 36 centimeter square. So area of each tile, triangular tile, we know the formula S under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is given under root, S is 36, 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28, and 36 minus 35. So we are having here 36, this will be 27, this is 8, and this is 1. So if we found here, this is 6 into 6, we can write 36, 6 is square. This is, we can write 3 square into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. This we can write 2 square into 2 into 1, like this. So this is 6 can come out, 3 can come out, 2 can come out, and this 3 2s are 6 remain inside. So this will be 36 root 6 centimeter square. So total area of 16 such tiles, there are 16 tiles, is equals 36 into 16 into root 6. This is given. So if we multiply 36 and 16, that we have here 576 under root 6, that is equals to somehow 2.45. So if we multiply these two, we are having 0.50 and 1 here, 1 1 4 1, this much of centimeter square. Now total cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. That is, we have to convert these into 1411.20. 5 6 30. This will be 20, I think. 20. Here will be 20. So this can be removed out 100. 10. This can be cut. And we are reading 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 4 1 6. 5 0 7. This much of 705 rupees. This is the total cost of 16 polishing of the 16 slab. So this is the end of the exercise. Rest we are going to start the next chapter in the next video. So do all these questions, except you are not doing this question, the last question and the first two question in the notebook. Otherwise all other rest the question you can do. Thank you so much.